the parking space number. Press payment. 3500. Okay, so we're trying to make our way out of Yokohama. Had a little bit of a detour there. I missed an exit, but I think we're on the right track now. And we have 1 hour and 42 minutes to Mount Fuji, according to this Android tablet that we're using for our directions. Alright, we stopped at a rest stop. We're going to grab a coffee, and we're trying to figure out what's going on with this new GoPro because it seems to have given up recording. So yeah, we're going to have a quick break. We've got about 1 hour and 20 minutes to go, but it's only 9:50 AM, so we've got plenty of time. Having some problems with the GoPro Hero7. It seems to be freezing up on us, or it did freeze up on us. So it is unfrozen again now, and we'll just keep an eye on that. And I did forget to charge my other camera, and we can't figure out how to get the inverter in the car to work yet. So having some camera troubles. But it's cool. I think we got plenty of footage so far, and the GoPro is working again at the moment. So about an hour to go now to our destination on Mount Fuji. So we're about 10 minutes or 6 kilometers to the highest point we can drive to. It's getting a little foggy, as you can see up here, and a little bit twisty too, as you can probably see from the GPS map. And here we are at Mount Fuji 5th station. This is the highest point you can reach by car on the south face of the mountain. This is our view. There is a gift shop and restaurant right here, but unfortunately the restaurant was just closing as we arrived. Well, this is the trailhead for Mount Fuji. I don't think I'm going to go very far. No. But we are going to go up some volcanic looking soil for a bit. Well, since it's a 6 to 8 hour round trip and a 5 kilometer hike each way, we're not going to make it to the top. But we do need food, and we need to find somewhere to camp tonight. Okay, so we did successfully find the top of Mount Fuji, or at least the highest point that you can drive to on the south side. And it's pretty misty up there. So the views aren't, well, I mean, there aren't any views, basically. You could see about 5 to 10 feet in front of you. Still, it is very cool to be there. So we're heading back, kind of retracing our steps now. We did find a Michi No Eki rest stop that's about an hour away from here. So we're gonna head there and try and stop off at a supermarket on the way. And we were fortunate enough to drop upon roadside station Doshi. This Michi no Eki is actually pretty well known as a midway point between Tokyo and Lake Yamanaka, which is where we are going to head tomorrow. So, thank you very much for watching our video, and if you liked it, please do give us a like. If you want to see more of our videos, click the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when we release a new video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.